following is a weather alert for the following. The following is a weather alert for the following counties in Montana: Bighorn and Yellowstone. 4:37 p.m. 64 miles per hour wind gust was reported near Moult. At 5:05 p.m., Billings Airport Weather Station reported a wind gust of 58 miles per hour. Impact: expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Billings, Hardin, Lockwood, Hunley, Shepherd, Billings Heights, Borden, Fort Smith, Billings West End, Valentine, Poppies Pillar, St. Xavier, and Crow Indian Reservation. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties in Montana: Bighorn and Yellowstone. Hardin, Lockwood, Hunley, Shepherd, Billings Heights, Borden, Fort Smith, Billings West End, Valentine, Poppies Pillar, St. Xavier, and Crow Indian Reservation. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties in Montana: Bighorn and Yellowstone.